Huh?
It's certified from that one break.
I don't know what you're talking about with that. I don't know.
I tried to combine his invoice.
Who?
Yes.
Where did that Steelers come from?
I don't know.
Why didn't we block this guy before?
I don't know. I don't remember what that was even from.
We'll get blocked tonight, I'll tell you that much.
Who does Bodie have? Colts. Dirty Bird, I already know who he has.
I'm gonna guess Falcons.
Yeah. Down the peer pressure. I've never seen that name before. I've never seen Clackamy. What's Motor City Mark? He's not in the room.
45 of 50, Maximus Williams. Out of 194, Terrell Davis and Tom Brady.
Bodie wants some luck.
Do you have Luke Kuechly in the Carolina Panthers? What a juke!
He hits every time.
Every time.
Every time. Doesn't matter.
Quad patch auto 22 of 25. Luke Kuechly.
Well, you're in this one, Dirty Bird. We know that.
You're looking for Hardys and Coleman. So, Kevin Coleman.
And Roddy White. Matt Ryan.
Roddy White's in this?
Yes.
Can't believe it.
Roddy White.
Kind of don't believe you, but we'll go with it. Out of 99, Shady.
Julio Jones?
Maybe. Out of 194, Lawrence Taylor and Munches. And 14 of 50,
John Elway.
Jalen Strong. Two-color patch auto.
I almost guessed it.
Houston is Colarulo. Colarulo. Earl Campbell out of 194.
Earl the Pearl.
Out of 99, Adrian Peterson, Haney, base. 3 of 5.
Boom us.
Eddie Lacy.
Oh, that's why Red fell left.
Oh, he didn't. That's fine. Yeah, you're right. That goes to Uncle Tapatio. 3 of 5.
Boom,
Number patch
shakalaka.
auto of Eddie Lacy. That's it there, Theo. That's the 101 plus right here. Getting a lot of out of 5 Packers. You hit 20.
I don't remember seeing those big patch autos a lot.
I got their rice ones. So what I really recall.
You got Dan Marino?
And I got Dan Marino.
Was it like that?
Yeah.
I never saw it.
Oh, really?
No.
Should be over there on the shelf.
I don't see it when I should.
Out of 194, Bo Jackson. Out of 194, Randall Cobb and Tyler Pocket Lockett Rockets. 5 of 10. Winston, Mariota, Gordon, and Gurley. 4-color, 3-color, 3-color, 2-color.
That's gonna hurt.
Rams is Tapatio. Buccaneers fair exchange. Titans is Tapatio. And Chargers is Dallas. So Tapatio, you win it. You have 2 of the 4. 5 of 10. Absolutely disgusting patches all around. always these thick cards every time. Out of 99, Kevin White. Out of 194, Devontae Parker and Beckham. So,
Red.
no.
Oh,
Just the
red
bottom
on the
one.
bottom.
Dirty Bird! Quad patch, 40 of 50, Tevin Coleman with a 2 color patches and 2 single color patches. Dirty, dirty,
Let's
dirty.
get
Bird.
dirty!
See? Never. Oh, this one might be.
Come on, get something thick, right?
It's thin.
Is it thin off?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Out of 25 for the Bills, Sammy Watkins, green. 8 of 25. Out of 99, John Elway. And Elite, Eli Manning. Jamison Crowder out of 75 on card auto for Fair Exchange. 2. Fair Exchange
25
2.
or 79?
75.
Fair Exchange number 2.
Second coming.
Book.
We got a
I
book.
saw that right away. I got a book.
I got a book.
I got a book. Hey, 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 hey.
Book.
2 books. Oh my goodness.
You're welcome. Wow.
Wow.
Dual autograph patch book card.
Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Back-to-back boxes, back-to-back books.
Who's got Detroit, just so I know?
194.
Okay, so if it is Emmett and Barry, Tavatio does get it automatically.
25, Tim Brown. Just the front. Yeah, that's all right, Barry. Steve Young and Jerry Rice. Uncle Tapatio, 3 of 14.
Oh.
Wow, Theo.
Boom! Goes the dynamite!
Oh, Corey didn't bid, too.
No.
He would have gotten that.
Yeah, I know. He buys the 49ers every time.
Huge boom for you. I wonder why it's out of 14. 3 of 14. It's kind of weird.
They could only get him to sign 14 stickers.
Not 50.
Not quite 15, only 14.
All right, how about the next book?
This is crazy.
See what kind of book it is. It looks like inscription. Inscription book. Inscription autograph book card.
Uh-oh.
This is only going to be one guy.
One dude.
Out of 50, Drew Brees. Out of 194, Kaepernick. And a base, Murray. I don't know if it says on the front of the inscription, so I'm not going to show.
Let's see the inscription first.
Todd Gurley, 5 of 5, Uncle Theo.
Gata?
Gata.
Gata.
5 of 5.
I thought it was going to be fair exchange for sure.
Gata. What is Gata?
I don't know. I don't know what that means. Get a tattoo, asshole?
Does it say on the front? No. So I can, now I know inscriptions. They don't tell me on the front.
Gold antitrust action.
Is that what it means? That would be weird. Theo, you have yourself a break, why don't you, bud?